We're going all the way to the top.
We're going all up to the top. Probably one of the highest points where you can move freely and see everything around Vienna, you know?
Oh, my God, tú síos do.
No.
Oh, she's a cussa.
Beacher show, it's
Oh, lads, Beach fest the cussa. Beach she's fest the cussa.
No, ní bhlam. No, a hen.
A do, a three, Beach she's. You're going to go.
Lads, hold me gun like.
Right, I'm mugging with you.
No, ní leon go. God, I thought Caroline, like stop. Wow, a bar croga hen. I actually feel safer than I thought I would.
Yeah.
Like,
I told
feels
you,
okay.
like, it feels okay, yeah. Vienna is like an old city, so we have a lot of old stuff, a lot of old buildings. You can just move through it, you can go shopping there, you can go and eat some nice stuff or something. You can just have a wonderful time.
Yeah, hey!